How to set up Hey Google on Android phone. So if you want to set up the Google Assistant, then first of all, open up your settings. And after opening your settings, you can have the search bar, right? Simply tap on that search bar and then search for Assistant. And here on the first option, you will have Assistant settings. Tap on that, and then here on the first, you will have Hey Google and voice match. You can simply tap on that, and then you have to turn on your Hey Google. So from here you can turn that on. So if you want to add your voice on Hey Google, then you can go to the second option, which is retrain voice match model. So for now I have already set my voice, but if you want to cancel that and if you want to add a new voice, then you can go to retrain, and here you can simply say what that sentence is saying. You can simply read that sentence. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? And now you have to simply say all of these sentences. Read that loud. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. So that's it. After reading that sentences loud, now you can simply tap on next, which is on the bottom of your screen. And that's it. That's how you add your voice. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.